Our next question is, a pendulum is oscillating on either side of its rest position. Explain the energy changes that takes place in the oscillating pendulum. How does the mechanical energy remain constant in it, and draw the necessary diagram. So we will first draw the diagram of the pendulum. So basically here we can see that at a point A, which is a mean position of the bob of the pendulum, it has a maximum kinetic energy and potential energy 0. When it starts to swing from A to B, so as its height is increasing, its kinetic energy will start to convert into the potential energy. And at point B, it has a maximum potential energy and kinetic energy is 0. So from B to A, when it will start to swing, again the potential energy changes into the kinetic energy. And the similar thing will happen again and again. Thus, while swinging, the bob has only the potential energy at two extreme position. As you can see that in diagram at point B and C. And at point A, it has only the kinetic energy. At an intermediate position between the A to B and A to C, it has both the kinetic energy and potential energy. But the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy is constant. So we can say that the total energy, that is the total mechanical energy, is constant throughout the swing.